Good morning to all of you. We continue with the arrays. This is a new session, an important one. Here today, from today onwards, we will be reading about the searching and sorting of the array elements. Now, till now, what you have done was with the single dimensional array. After this, searching, sorting, and then we will move on with the double dimensional arrays. Now, searching, what is a searching means? Searching means to find out an element present in an array. It's an array, element is there. If it is found, it displays a message found. If it is not found, it displays a message not available, not found there. So we are going to perform the searching. There are different searching techniques available, but according to our syllabus, we have two searching techniques. One searching technique is the linear search, and another searching technique is the binary search. So today we are going to study about the linear search. In the linear search technique, each node means the elements. Each elements of arrays are visited and compared. If the comparison is found, then the message is displayed as found. If it is not found, then the message is displayed it is not found. The visiting of each node, visiting of each array element is known as traversing. Traversing. It is called as the traversing of array elements. So in this technique, first element is searching element. You have to take a searching element. Then element size of an array, create an array, put array elements into it, then ask for a searching element, and that searching element is now compared with each of the present elements in an array. If it is found, then and there only we will break out of the loop. Immediately we will break out of the loop. We will not proceed further because we have already found the searching element. So we break out of the loop. Break will be used there to break out, to come out of the loop, and there will be a counter variable, flag counter variable we will be using it, which indicates it is found. As taught in class 9, we have used the flag counter variables. Now flag counter variable can contain only two types of value, either 0 or 1. So suppose I have given a counter variable c equals to 0 or integer flag counter variable. So integer flag counter variable contains 0 or 1. The boolean flag counter variable will contain either true or false. So when we have an integer counter variable, the counter variable is set 0, that means no element is found. But as soon as the element will be available, if the condition matches, then the flag counter changes to 1 and we break out of the loop. This is what technique, this is the technique which we are going to use it. Now remember, these are the patents. Do you know patents? The algorithms are patent algorithms. And as I have been taught, I am trying to pass out the same thing to you all also, that when such algorithms are used, you are not supposed to change the logic of the algorithm. Variables can vary, but the logic should not be changed. But in the board, it's people, they see just how the student is capable of handling it out, and that purpose. But professionally, it's not allowed to change with the algorithms. So whatever the algorithms, that's why they had been patented. If the algorithm is already been defined, then you have to follow the guidelines of those algorithms. You just simply by yourself cannot make any change to it. So we are going to use the patent algorithm, and I am going to write according to the algorithm. Maybe some teachers teaching in a different ways, but in my case, we will be following the rules and regulations, guidelines of it. Somebody might be telling you some other thing, but what the rule is, we will follow strict to the rule, stick to the rules, and we will be writing of those programs. Now an important notice to class 10th F. As you know, I am being your class teacher, so I am going to create a group, WhatsApp group, and in that WhatsApp group I will be sending you the information, but you are not allowed to send any information regarding. If you have a doubt, you can ask it out, but nothing has to be uploaded by you. Whatever has to be uploaded is me. I will be uploading the details. If any information has to be given, I will be informing you through that group. If any help you need in any subject, then I will be contacting that particular teacher, whosoever is teaching, and I will ask to gather that information and I will pass it on to you. This is for your help. This is for the guardians to know what the activities are going on. So this group is created basically for the guardians and for you also to study it. And if any information, rules, regulation has to be passed on, I will be passing it on. You don't need to post anything except your queries and nothing else. So let's move on. This is all about the information. Let's move on with the subject. We move on with the searching of an array elements and linear search we will study today. Thank you. Let's proceed. Today we continue with what is a searching? Searching array elements. No, searching an array elements to check whether the elements are present in array or not. Two techniques are used. Now one is the linear search and another one is the binary search. Now in the linear search, the searching is done in sequential order. What do you mean by sequential order? From first array elements to the last array element. Searching is done in the sequential order. Then this is one thing. Here the array searching elements is compared with all the array elements. Now it is very fast when we search the first element. It is very slow as compared to the binary search, when last element of an large array is searched. जब आखिरी एलिमेंट, लार्ज एरे बड़ा एरे है और आखिरी एलिमेंट को तुम सर्च करने जा रहे हो, तब ये टाइम लेता है, ये स्लो हो जाता है. लीनियर सर्च का यही टेक्निक है. ठीक है. नाउ फॉर दिस आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द प्रोग्राम विथ इट. सो इंपोर्ट java.util.asterisk class search void main. Now you need a scanner. SC equals to new scanner. system dot in, right? System dot in, you have to create a scanner. Now what you require? INTI, we require a loop, we require the size, we require a searching element, we require a counter variable. This is what is required, and the counter is set to be 0. So plan, enter the size. Now n equals to sc dot next int method, then create an array. int a array equals to new int n. So you have created an array n. Now go for the element entry. For I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So plan, enter the elements. A of I equals to sc dot next int method. Close the for loop. Now एरे हो गया, एरे में एलिमेंट हो गया. अब क्या चाहिए? सर्चिंग एलिमेंट चाहिए. एंटर द सर्चिंग एलिमेंट. sc equals to sc dot next int method सर्चिंग एलिमेंट. ठीक है, अब एक लूप चलाएंगे. फॉर I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If the element which we have picked is equal to the searching element, then counter changes to 1 and we break out of the loop. Is it? If c equals to 1, then print present, else print not found. Close main, close class. If the element, अगर एलिमेंट जो पिक किया मैंने वो सर्चिंग एलिमेंट के बराबर है तो काउंटर मेरा 1 हो गया और मैं ब्रेक कर गया लूप से. अगर काउंटर एलिमेंट 1 मिला है तो प्रेजेंट है, अदरवाइज नॉट है. ठीक है, एक और क्वेश्चन इसी का एक कोई एग्जांपल करते हैं. Web to input friend's name and their telephone number and search the friend's name with the help of a given phone number. ठीक है, given phone number. तो import java.util.stro class search word name. We INTI, we require a loop, we require n, we need a searching phone number, we require a counter, set 0, scanner s equals to new scanner system.in. Now algorithm, this is the algorithm. Alright, so I am not going to change this technique. So plan, enter the size, n equals to sc dot next int method. अब एरे बनाएंगे. string name array equals to new string n and long ph array equals to new long n. for loop चलाएंगे i less than n i plus plus. क्यों लॉन्ग यूज किया? क्योंकि int में 8 digits, we need to input 10 digits. Mobile number, your mobile number consists of 10 digits na, so therefore we have to use the long there. Alright, and now we will make an entry to it. Enter friend's name, na of I equals to sc dot next, and next method है ना. So enter phone number, ph of I equals to sc dot next long method. Now the searching phone number should be long searching phone. So enter the searching phone number. So searching phone number equals to sc dot next long method. For I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. ठीक है, सर्चिंग फोन नंबर है नेक्स्ट लॉन्ग मेथड में. इफ द फोन ऑफ I इक्वल्स टू सर्चिंग फोन नंबर के बराबर है, देन C इक्वल्स टू 1 ब्रेक. अच्छा, इफ सपोज आई आस्क इन विच इंडेक्स नंबर इट इज प्रेजेंट, क्योंकि फ्रेंड का तो इंडेक्स नंबर चाहिए हमको. ठीक है, तो एक पोजीशन ले लो यहाँ पे INT पोजीशन. अब पोजीशन को ले लो -1, क्योंकि 0 अगर दे देंगे तो ये फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पोजीशन मिल जाएगा, लेकिन -1 लिए तो यानी कि कोई भी पोजीशन नहीं है, वी डोंट हैव एनी पोजीशन. सो P इक्वल्स टू I. ऑलराइट, नाउ वी नीड टू प्रिंट इफ C equals to 1. So search found. So friend's name is na of P. उस पोजीशन को I को स्टोर कर लिया तो उसे स्टोर हो गया वहां पे. else so not found, नहीं मिला, क्लोज. ठीक है. Now look here, it was asked 2 arrays, so we require a I loop, we require the size of an array, this is the positions required, in which position or index number we are going to find that phone number. So according to that searching index, फ्रेंड्स नेम विल बी देयर. मान लो यहाँ पे ऐसे 2 एरे बना ना, फ्रेंड एरे बन गया, ये फोन नंबर का एरे बन गया, ये NAI बन गया, ये PH बन गया. तो यहाँ ABC, तो उसका फ़ोन नंबर है 943333. PQR तो इसका 87 कुछ. DEF तो 917 डैश. तो इंडेक्स तो सेम रह रहा है बेटा, यू आर गेटिंग द सेम इंडेक्स नंबर. तो सपोज मैंने फ़ोन नंबर सर्च किया, इसका पोजीशन मेरे को क्या मिल गया 2, तो नेम का भी पोजीशन 2 में सर्च करेंगे तभी तो DEF मिलेगा. दिस वाई वी हैव टू टेकन अ पोजीशन एंड पोजीशन शुड बी -1. 0 दे दोगे तो ये पहले वाला मिल जाएगा, इसलिए -1, यानी कि कुछ भी नहीं है मेरे पास. देन द साइज, and you insert an array element, create an array, insert an array element, insert a searching element. If the phone number, picked phone number is equals to searching phone number, then C becomes 1, you store the position, you break out, then this searching position is used for searching the friend's name. Thank you.